Hi everyone, I am Paulavi Sabdi, All India Rank 24 in NORCET 9 Mains एंड मैक्सिमम आप लोगों से मेरे पास जो क्वेरीज आए हैं वो है हाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई नॉर्सेट प्रिपरेशन. Here I am to share my complete NORCET journey with you all in this video. So without skipping, keep watching till the end and hit the subscribe button. Hope this video will be helpful for all of you. Firstly, I have started my BSc Nursing journey in 2020 December. My college was College of Nursing, Midnapur Medical College and Hospital. Then I had no idea of NORCET. When I was in my second year, a senior of our college appeared for NORCET exam and she got a very good rank with a very good aims of her choice. And her interview got viral. From that time, I got to know about NORCET exam and I asked one of my senior about this exam. From then, I was like mentally prepared to appear for this exam and I was really determined to crack it in my very first attempt. Now, being in a second year student, I was not confident enough to buy any course or buy any books. That's why I just searched in YouTube like NORCET previous year's question. I just scrolling through the videos and doing the MCQs like literally मैं कभी कभी करती थी, always नहीं करती थी. And to be very honest, till my third year I was really not doing my study properly. मतलब third year तक मैंने बिल्कुल भी ठीक से नहीं पढ़ती थी and I was really like an average student, not having a very good rank or very good marks in my college and was not very serious about my studies. After completion of third year university exam, I was like really determined to crack NORCET exam in my very first attempt. I ended up calling a senior and just bought Target High and PR Yadav book. My senior told me to take courses online for NORCET or any other nursing central or state government exam. But I didn't buy this because there was really a huge pressure in our college like for clinicals, practicals, theory and all of this. After that, during July 2024, when my internship was going to start, I decided to bought NNL Plan C Plus Gold Edition. But in spite of buying this course, I haven't studied properly the course because of college pressure of internship, case presentation for all of this. So I decided to first complete the MCQ book, which I will not recommend to you. I will recommend to all of you to first complete the theory books. But that time I was not getting enough time for completing the theory and this was like half done and half not done all the theory. I was thinking कि मुझे पहले टारगेट हाई और PRE मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ, उसके बाद जब जनवरी से मेरा कॉलेज खत्म हो जाएगा तब से मैं जाके वो सारी थ्योरीज पढ़ूंगी. तो ऐसे करके मैंने दिसंबर तक टारगेट हाई एंड PR यादव कंप्लीट कर ली थी एक बार, जो कि मैं बार बार भूल रही थी. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे सब रिटेन हो गया था मेरे ब्रेन में, मैं कुछ भूल रही थी. आफ्टर दैट 2025 3 जनवरी माई कोर्स वॉज कम्प्लीटेड. तब से मैंने सोचा कि थ्योरी पढ़ना स्टार्ट करती हूँ एंड द थ्योरी अ बिट टफ फॉर मी बिकॉज आई हैवंट स्टडीड properly during my college time. So I have started with medical and surgical nursing and after that I have completed all the 6 major subjects. And during my preparation phase, I have not only got good marks, I have also got frustrated, got demotivated and depressed. I have studied really for 12 to 14 hours every day to crack this exam and I was like I have to crack this exam. I was like this much determined. आप लोगों का ये सवाल है कि कैसे पूरा साल भर 12 to 14 hours मेंटेन किया जा सकता है स्टडी. ड्यूरिंग मार्च और अप्रैल one of my friend from All India group called me, approached me to study together. Like how? Like we studied for whole morning and whole evening. Then we revised that through call at afternoon at night. ऐसे करके हमारा जो frustration, low feeling, FOMO होता था वो सारे दूर हो सकती थी. So ऐसा नहीं है कि during all your preparation phase you just have to study properly, maintaining consistency, practicing all the theories and MCQs. You also have to be healthy physically and mentally. So here is a special thanks to her, who is also from my batch, and she helped me a lot. Like every day we just have set our target or goal for that day, or like daily schedule or daily target, and we have to complete this target. And this is not really possible by alone, because we will get FOMOs, like हमारा जो कम थ्योरी है वो कम पड़ रही है, हमारा प्रैक्टिस ठीक से नहीं हो रही है, इतनी नेगेटिव्स हो रही है. दैट्स आई जस्ट एंडेड अप स्टार्टिंग विद दिस गर्ल. ऐसे करके आपका क्या होता था, कभी लो फील हो रही है, कभी नींद आ रही है, तो आप वो पढ़ाई के साथ साथ गॉसिप करके भी अपना मूड अपलिफ्टमेंट कर सकते हो, एंड यू विल स्टडी फर्दर विथ मोर एनर्जी. So this is very much important to be healthy physically and mentally during your whole study preparation phase for any kind of exam. So I will also recommend you not to group study, but to have a proper study partner. You can be more knowledgeable and your mind could be more fresh for study for the next day or next time schedule. Now came to my revising phase, that I am really a first reader, that I have completed all the theories from NNL, all the major subjects only, like medical and surgical nursing, community health nursing, obstetrical and gynecological nursing, pediatric nursing, foundation of nursing, and mental health nursing, and I have revised it more than 4 times. आफ्टर दैट जो MCQs है, जो मैं टारगेट हाई एंड PR यादव से कंप्लीट की थी, वो मैं रिवाइज की थी मोर देन 7 टाइम्स, like 7 to 8 times. Yes, this is possible because I was studying for the whole year and I was not doing any job. That's why it is possible, and I was really a first reader, that I can admit. That's why I did it. That I completed NCLEX, Omega and Mosby की जो MCQ बुक्स है वो मैंने कंप्लीट की थी for more than 4 times, like 4 to 5 times I have completed these books. Now came to MCQ continuous practice, which I did from NNL question bank and test series. वो जो सेगमेंट है NNL की, तो वो मैं more than 10 times practice की थी, because came to the test series portion, which I was completely relied on from NNL question bank and test series. Just before the exam of NORCET 9 prelims and mains, before 2 to 3 weeks, I got to know there was pre-exams of NPrep and TNC, because I have heard from Dr. Shakshi ma'am कि तुम्हारा नोट्स एक ही रहना चाहिए. अगर तुम जानना चाहते हो कि तुम्हारी प्रिपरेशन कितने लेवल तक है, एंड हाउ मच यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर एग्जाम, एंड टू एनहांस योर नॉलेज फ्रॉम वेराइटी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, practicing. So if you can afford, or if you want to try, you can try various test series, but your source of note or theory should be the same. But I will also recommend NNL test series is best to enhance your knowledge, boost your theory and clear your base. But I will like to suggest, if NNL is not affordable or very much costly to few of you, then you can choose the NPrep test series, because this is good and of budget friendly. Okay, so this was my journey, and this was really very helpful for that one friend. I want to thank her also once again. Hope this video will help you all कि how to start your preparation, कब से करना चाहिए. जैसे कि मैं सबको बोलती हूँ कि इंटर्नशिप के टाइम से तुम अपना कोर्स ले लो, उसके पहले तुम टारगेट हाई और PR यादव खरीद के रख लो, एंड अपना जो थियोरी है जो अपने सेमिस्टर का वो पहले ठीक से कंप्लीट कर लो. उसके बाद तुम अपना कोर्स बाय करना, एंड जो थियोरी एंड MCQ प्रैक्टिस है वो अपना स्टार्ट करना. तो दिस वॉज द होल वीडियो अबाउट माई NORCET जर्नी, हाउ आई क्रैक्ड it, and also I have shared my actual result copy in my previous video, so you can watch it and comment it down if you have any queries, as I am here to guide you all. So thank you.